We have confirmation. The carrier group is intact.
All right, team, let's get the submersible deployed now.
Confirming identity of lost carrier. Families of over 2,000 crew members notified.
ROV documenting WWII air carrier flight deck. Wooden deck planking. Most leopards.
Naval. Examining torpedo and bomb damage to WWII carrier hull, documenting hits that led to sinking.
Pumping residual fuel oil from WWII repair bunkers after 80 years. Environmental disposal.
Collecting scattered debris around WWII carrier wreck site. Ordnance, fuel tank.
Recovering our arresting gear cables and mechanisms from WW2 carrier. Thick steel cables that caught landing aircraft.
The plan is to separate the island superstructure first, using the underwater plasma cutters. Each of the 12 sections requires a separate lift sequence.
All vessels, synchronized lift initiated. Maintain bearing.
Copy that. Lifting steady.
We have visual on the structure breaching the surface.
All right, man, easy now. Take the strain, watch those lines. All right, easy now, lower it 5 feet. Copy that, coming down slow. Lower it slowly now, watch the starboard side. Easy, easy.
This specific battle damage here, it aligns with the wartime photograph.
And the modifications are clearly documented in the service history.
High-pressure washing WW2 carrier hull exterior, removing 80 years of marine growth, barnacles, rust scale, revealing a
around on the windlass.
Aye, shifting to high pressure.
Complete laser scanning of all WW2 carrier sections, billions of measurement points, creating the digital model.
Surveying WW2 carrier engineering spaces, 8 boilers, 4 steam turbines generating a...
Measuring WW2 carrier flight deck armor, 3-inch thick armored deck, checking corrosion penetration, structural integrity assessment for restoration.
Asbestos insulation throughout, lead paint, PCBs, and that fuel oil contamination. We'll need a comprehensive abatement plan.
Hoist clear. Take it up, slow, steady.
Copy that. Good, moving now.
Draining aviation gasoline residue from WW2 carrier fuel system. Highly flammable even after decades. Vapor control systems, fire safety priority.
Quality inspection of clean WW2 carrier sections, all marine growth removed, true condition visible, ready for restoration planning, massive undertaking ahead.
Examining every hull plate on WW2 carrier, identifying plates requiring replacement due to corrosion or battle damage, numbering system, fabrication planning.
All right, easy now. Keep her steady.
Watch the tail, watch the tail.
She's clear of the deck. Keep coming up.
Ordering special steel for WW2 carrier restoration, matching original STS specifications where possible. Thousands of tons required.
A little more on the starboard side, easy now.
All right, I've got it. That curve looks perfect.
Cutting out severely corroded hull plates from WW2 carrier, fitting new plates, welding instead of riveting for strength.
Restoring WW2 carrier hangar deck structure, replacing deck plating, reinforcing supporting beams, large unobstructed space for...
We need the high-strength, low-alloy plating here to maintain the original curvature and hull strength.
Completely rebuilding 3 aircraft elevator platforms in WW2 carrier, 60-foot by 34-foot platform.
Clear the deck. Stand by for launch. Fire the catapult. Lower it easy, men. Watch your hands. All right, secure the bolts now. Heave on that cable. Make it taut.
Completely rebuilding WW2 carrier island superstructure. 7 levels from navigation bridge to flag bridge, smokestack.
All right, boys, bring her down steady. Watch the port side, clear the lines. Looks good here, keep it coming.
Restoring anchor windlass machinery on WW2 carrier bow. Capstan motors, chain fist above bridge.
Installing screw guards over WW2 carrier propellers, protective frameworks, maintaining access for inspection, safety features.
Rebuilding a WWII carrier rudder, massive steering surface, pintles and gudgeons, connection to steering gear.
Restoring torpedo blisters along WWII carrier hull. Underwater bulge protection, providing protection to approachers. Rebuilding one of 8 boilers in WWII carrier for museum display, Babcock and Wilcox design.
See the General Electric design here, that's 37,500 shaft horsepower. Look at the precision on the blading.
It's incredible they achieved this back then.
Preparing reduction gear for display in WWII carrier. Reducing turbine RPM to propeller speed. Massive gears showing precision engineering.
Easy now, lower it slowly.
Watch the alignment on that side.
We're clear.
Ensure the phasing is correct on this run before we tie into the main bus. It's 440 volts, so double check everything.
Examining this WWII carrier hangar deck, let's see, 654-foot long oak base.
Lower it steady. Keep it clear of the Mark 13.
Fuse is set, ready for hoisting.
Recreating fuel oil systems for WWII carrier boilers, bunker storage, purification, pumping to fire rooms, propulsion fuel management.
Bridge, this is engineering. Emergency power online. Communications check. Over.
Deflection is within tolerance at this load point.
And the gauge is at the forward junction.
All readings stable and within the safety margin.
Surveying entire WWII carrier structure, verifying alignment of all sections, checking for proper
Restoring hydraulic braking systems for WWII carrier arrest gear. Mark IV engines, pressure systems.
Get that line pressurized now. We have a breach on level 2.
Rebuilding ventilation and air conditioning in WWII carrier, forced air distribution, cooling for tropical operations,
recreating waste systems in WWII carrier, heads for 2,600 crew, sewage treatment, showing shipboard sanitation engineering.
We need that repeater fully secured before we power it up. Check the gyro alignment again.
damage control 2. The circuit is live, showing smoke on the hangar deck.
Preparing WWII carrier hull for painting. Sandblasting to bare metal. Epoxy primer application.
Restoring 20-kilo Orthon anti-aircraft guns throughout WW carrier, single-man operated weapons, close-range defense, gun shields and mounts.
Completely restoring quad 40mm Bofors anti-aircraft guns on WWII carrier, rebuilding mechanisms, ammunition handling, primary shipboard defense.
Check the clearance on the starboard side of the cradle. It's rubbing right here.
Oh, noted. I'll adjust the tolerance in the schematic.
Rebuilding SBD Dauntless dive bombers from WWII carrier. Perforated dive, restoring anchor chain handling in WWII carrier. Windlass motors. chain lockers, deck equipment for mooring operations.
All right, engage the drive slowly now. Watch the tension on that line. Engaging, it's holding steady. Keep it coming up. Secure the barrier. Check the tension on that wire.
All right, Chief, it's set.
Restoring F-6F Hellcat fighters recovered from WW2 carrier hangar, navy blue paint.
Applying period-correct Navy paint schemes to WW2 carrier aircraft. Glossy sea blue.
Saturday aircraft elevate W sim carrier carrier. Massive
All right, move her forward, slow and steady. Watch your wingtips. Hold it right there, chock the wheels. Check the accumulator pressure. All green, Captain. Signal the pilot. Launch the Hellcat.
As you can see on the board, we're targeting the carrier group at these coordinates. The primary objective is the flight deck. Weather conditions are favorable for the first wave.
Documenting W2 carrier crew accommodations for 2,600 officers and enlisted men. Berthing areas, mess halls, galleys, shoulders.
Examining WW2 carrier communications center. Multiple radio transmitters and receivers. Encryption equipment. Long-range communication capabilities.
Surveying WW2 carrier navigation bridge. Helm, engine Pelora stands.
The pressure on the Mark IV seems low according to these specs. Let's check the hydraulic fluid levels again. The Mark IV is critical to the landing recovery system.
They're doing a fine job bringing her back to life. The helm looks magnificent.
The primary target is this hangar complex here. Flak suppression runs start at 0-2.
Documenting W2's carrier radar installations. SG.
We have a surface contact, bearing 090. Fire control, track that target immediately.
Bearing 090, mark contact.
Plot the intercept course, vector 240 immediately.
Aye, sir, moving to engage.
Restoring freshwater generation and distribution in WW2 carrier, distilling plants, storage tanks, plumbing to crew spaces.
Double check the forward chains on that section.
Aye. Making fast now.
Examining Admiral's Flag Bridge above Navigation Bridge. Task Force Command Center, where Carrier Battle Group operations coordinated. Strategic Command Post.
Comms, get me a secure channel to CTF-70.
Aye, Admiral. Channel established.
This is the commander. Execute Operation Bright Star immediately.
We are gathered here to honor the sacrifice of the brave crew lost at this site. May this wreath symbolize our eternal gratitude.
A convoy entering Pearl Harbor, passing the USS Arizona Memorial. Flags are... Here at Pearl Harbor, this fully restored aircraft carrier stands as a living museum. The most ambitious war...
The WW2 aircraft carrier restoration sequence is complete. This represents an incredibly ambitious project.